It's a big day in the market. We're going to talk about cryptocurrencies. We're going to talk about the major indices, but we're also going to touch on big news from Peloton, Spotify, Netflix, and others. So stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to TipRanks. I'm Richard Allen. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. Hey, if you learned something new or find any value in this video at all, let me know by hitting that like button and that subscribe button down below. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's jump over to tipranks.com, check out the major indices and the major cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum. S&P 500 slightly down today, pretty much flat, down 0.03%. Dow Jones up 0.13%. The Nasdaq almost down 0.33% today, down 0.28% as of recording this video. And we've got Bitcoin and Ethereum absolutely on a tear over the past week, but today especially. Bitcoin up 4.52% and Ethereum up 3.5% as of recording this video. But BTC is up over 15% over the past week. Ethereum is up over 17% over the past week. So a lot of cryptocurrencies absolutely running right now. Do you guys have a favorite cryptocurrency out there? Is it Shiba Inu or Floki Inu or Furry Inu or is it just Bitcoin and Ethereum? Those are on an absolute tear right now. Please let me know down in the comments which cryptocurrency is your favorite. All right, let's jump over to the big news in the stock market. We have Frontier Airlines and your favorite airline probably in the entire country if you live in the US, Spirit Airlines. You know, the big yellow terrible airplanes that nobody loves flying on. You have those two companies, Frontier and Spirit Airlines, merging in a massive $6.6 billion deal to form the fifth largest airline here in the U.S. SAVE, which is Spirit's ticker symbol, is up massively today, up 16.57%. Ticker symbol SAVE has a moderate buy based on 6 ratings with an average upside of 15%. ULCC is Frontier Group Holdings, up 3% on the day, so not as much as SAVE, but has a strong buy rating based on 5 analyst ratings with an average upside of almost 60%. In other news, we have Peloton up almost 17% on the day. Peloton has had an absolute terrible go at it over the past couple months, just crashing. Bloody red for Peloton. But in some fantastic news for Peloton, if you bought the dip, Amazon and Nike, there are rumors that they are in talks to purchase Peloton. So kind of cool news. Let me know if you like this news of Peloton, if you bought the dip on Peloton. I want to hear from you down in the comments. In other news, we have Ford stock, ticker symbol F, announcing on Friday that they intend to cut or suspend production entirely in 8 of their North American plants. This is due to the chip shortages worldwide. So if you didn't catch the video I posted on Friday, I'm going to link it right there. It's about 3 fantastic semiconductor stocks given to you by one of the best analysts on Wall Street, Quinn Bolton, number 3 overall here on TipRanks. Again, check out that video. I'm going to link it above. It's about 3 stocks in the semiconductor space because obviously it's still affecting a ton of companies. This chip shortage has absolutely been devastating, especially to the auto industry. In other news, we have Spotify down almost 2% at 1.2 day, continuing to deal with this tricky subject of Joe Rogan and his podcast. They bought Joe Rogan essentially for his long-form content from YouTube for about $100 million. Massive podcast deal. And so far, up until the last couple days, they've stood by Joe Rogan. They've still come out and said, look, what he's saying lately, he had a video come up where he's using racial slurs that he's used throughout the years on his podcast. Spotify CEO has come out and apologized to both Spotify employees and the public, but has said, look, Joe Rogan has a space on this platform. We're not going to silence him. We shouldn't silence these voices. So let me know how you guys feel down in the comments about this deal. Are you invested in Spotify at all? Are you worried about this sort of thing for Spotify long term? Please let me know. All right, second to last bit of news, we're going to talk about Snowflake getting a new price target from Morgan Stanley, up almost 9% on the day, back trading above over $300. Snowflake was one of the biggest IPOs back in 2020. It absolutely ran massively. Morgan Stanley came out, gave a $390 price target, giving this a almost 32% upside. That was upgraded yesterday. That is why Snowflake, ticker symbol SNOW, is absolutely soaring. This is a strong buy based on 24 analyst ratings, with the average being a little bit above the Morgan Stanley analyst expectation. All right, last bit of news we're going to cover is Netflix. The streaming wars are absolutely heating up. We've talked about it a lot on this channel as of late. Ticker symbol NFLX continuing to struggle with the latest analyst from Needham, Laura Martin, giving Netflix a sell position, reiterated yesterday. Not looking great for Netflix, down 3%. Laura Martin is essentially saying, look, Netflix cannot continue doing business as usual and win the streaming wars. They have to do something different or sell to one of the big behemoths. What do you guys think about Netflix? Down in the comments, let me know. I would absolutely love to hear from you. Are you a shareholder? Did you buy the dip when it fell as much as it did? I don't know. It's kind of crazy to see them below 400 in the 300s, but who knows? The streaming wars certainly are heating up. Please let me know how you feel about Netflix down in the comments. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for another video. I appreciate each and every single one of you. As always, if you learned something new or found any value in this video at all, let me know by hitting that like button and that subscribe button down below. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.